Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 5.1 question number 3. Identify which of the following pairs of angles are complementary and which are supplementary. We know that if the sum of two angles is 90 degree, then they are called complementary angles. And if the sum of two angles is 180 degree, then they are called supplementary angles. Here we are writing this one that here we are solving this problem. We write the definition of complementary and supplementary angles. If the sum if if the sum if the sum of if the sum of two angles 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 is 90 degree they are called complementary angles. They are called complementary angles. Complementary angles. Complementary angles. Right? And if the sum of two angles is 180 degree, they are called supplementary angles. If the sum of two angles if the sum of two angles is 180 degree, then they are called 180 degree, then they are called supplementary angles. Then they are called supplementary angle. Supplementary angle. Right? We'll find the sum of all the angles and find which are complementary and which are supplementary angles. Question 1. Question 1 is add the angles, that is 65 degree plus 115 degree plus 115 degree. We add both the angles. Here we are adding, that is 115 degree 15 plus 65. In 5 5 10, carry 1 0, 6 1 7 and 8, that is 180 degree. That comes to 180 degree. Therefore, these are supplementary angles. These are supplementary angles. These are supplementary angles. These are supplementary angles. Now question number 2. Question number 2 is 63 plus 63 degree plus 27 degree. 7 plus 3 10, carry 1, it is 0. 6 plus 1 7, 8 9, it comes to 90 degree. Therefore you can say these are complementary angles. These are complementary angles. These are complementary angles. Now question number 3. Question number 3 you see here is, question number 3 is 112 degree plus 68 degree plus 68 degree. We add this one, 8 plus 2, 10, 0, carry 1, 6 plus 1, 7, 1, 8. It comes to 180 degree. Therefore, we can say that these are supplementary angles. These are supplementary angle. These are supplementary angles. Right? Now question number 4. Question number 4 is 130 degree plus 50 degree plus 50. 130 plus 50 is 180 degree. Then we can say that these are supplementary angles. These are supplementary angles. These are supplementary angles. Now question number 5 is 45 degree plus 45 degree. 40 plus 45 is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, you can say that these are complementary angles. These are complementary angles. Now question number 6. Question number 6 is 80 degree plus 10 degree is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, you can say that these are complementary angles. These are complementary angles. These are complementary angles. Right? This is the solution of question number 3. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.